Hi there, I'm Dan, co-founder here at PPC Geeks. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Amazon ads. For brands operating in the UK market, leveraging Amazon advertising can be a powerful strategy to drive profitable growth, providing that you meet the specific criteria and target the right demographics. Amazon's advertising platform offers a unique opportunity to reach a highly engaged audience actively searching for your products to purchase. The brands that typically thrive on Amazon are those that offer products that align well with the platform's core demographics and shopping habits. In the UK, Amazon's user base skews towards affluent, urban and tech-savvy individuals. According to recent statistics, over 60% of Amazon's UK customers belong to the AB and C1 social grades, representing higher income households and professionals. Additionally, Amazon's user base is concentrated in major metropolitan areas like London, Birmingham, Manchester, but as you know, Amazon delivers all over the UK. And yes, you can tap straight into this exciting marketplace for your brand. Now, brands that cater to these demographics and offer products in high demand categories like electronics, home goods, fashion, health and beauty, they're well positioned to succeed with Amazon advertising. And these categories align with the platform's strengths and interests of its user base. One of the key advantages of Amazon advertising is its ability to reach consumers at the bottom of the marketing funnel when they are actively searching for products to purchase, unlike traditional display advertising on social media, which rely on interruption-based browsing experiences. Amazon ads are served to users who are already expressed interest to buy, and this intent-driven approach can significantly improve conversion rates and your return on ad spend. Furthermore, Amazon's comprehensive first-party data on consumer behaviour and purchasing patterns allows for highly targeted and personalised ad campaigns. Brands can leverage this data to reach specific audience segments based on factors like browsing history, purchase history and demographic information. And this level of granular targeting can lead to more efficient ad spend and higher conversion rates. However, it is essential to note that success with Amazon advertising requires a strategic approach and a deep understanding of the platform's intricacies. Now, brands should invest in optimizing their product listings, leveraging various ad formats like sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your campaigns based on the performance data. In summary, for brands operating across Amazon advertising, it can be a powerful driver for profitable growth, particularly for those catering to the affluent, urban, and tech-savvy consumers in high-demand product categories. By leveraging Amazon's intent-driven audiences, comprehensive data, and advanced target capabilities, brands like yours can effectively reach and convert potential customers while maximising your return on ad spend. And remember, if you're spending £10,000 per month or more on your PPC spend, I recommend you booking for a free PPC audit with us. As you'll know, we have a large team of dedicated PPC experts who are ready and waiting to show you how to improve your results. Well, yes, we've done this for over 1,000 brands just like yours, and we can help you get better results and fast. So make this year your best ever by simply going to Google and type in PPC Geeks free Google Ads audit. Remember, if you have any queries or questions, just reach out to us. Well, thanks again for your time, and we'll hopefully speak to you again soon.